Hey guys, what's going on? Sterling here from Legosupremeplease, and I'm here with a haul video. It's a incredible haul, so let's get it open. Oops. Alright, I gotta cut this tape. That should be good. Alright, let's open it up, take a look inside. And as you can see, you may recognize it, it's upside down. I got the Simpsons house. Let me flip it upside up. I got 12 minifigures and the Simpsons house in this. And it looks like a poster of President Business. So here it is out of the box. It's Lego The Simpsons, the Simpsons house 71006. 2,523 pieces. These minifigures down here. Bart Simpson, Homer Simpson, Marge Simpson, Maggie, Lisa, and Ned. Comes with, looks like a report card. Really amazing detail. Looks just like the cartoon. The box art. Little eyes all over of the characters. And the top. Radioactive Man comic. Lisa's radio. Really nice for the back. Here's a quick shot of the back of the box. You can see kind of the layout real quick. And next in the haul video, I also got 12 the Lego Movie minifigure packets. 12 additional packets. I need 3 more of the characters, which are Staplebot and Velma Staplebot, Wild Style, and one other one I can't remember right now. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I got a poster to show you too. So here's a shot of the poster. It's Will Ferrell at is Lord Business. And there's a shot of him. And basically when it's coming out. So that's it. And there's incredible detail on this poster too. You can see the texture. So that's been it for this haul video. The Simpsons house and 12 minifigures packs. Alright, please subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more videos. See you guys next time. Bye.